Are you excited to hear about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 series? Obviously, you're in the right spot, and I have no doubt about that. Here, we're going to cover all the information that comes out about the Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Pro, whether it be leaks, rumors, or anything. Make sure to watch the whole video so you don't miss any crucial information. Galaxy Watch 6 Pro release date. It's reasonable to assume that Samsung will want to keep building on the popularity of previous Galaxy Watch models, even though the Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Pro haven't even been officially launched. Keeping this in mind, and given Samsung's historically reliable release timeline for Galaxy Watches, we may anticipate the introduction of the Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Pro in late August of 2023. The anticipated release dates for the Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Pro are mentioned in the table here, which also shows the current timeline for Samsung's Galaxy Watch releases. Galaxy Watch 6 Pro price. We anticipate that the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro will be priced similarly to the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Similarly, the Galaxy Watch 6, which will be available in two sizes like the Galaxy Watch 5, and will probably maintain the same price. Starting at $279, the smallest 40mm GPS-only Galaxy Watch 6 model would be the most affordable option. The Galaxy Watch 6 Pro will cost up to $499 for the model with GPS and cellular connectivity. Galaxy Watch 6 Pro design. Samsung, in contrast to Apple, has opted for a distinct design language for its smartwatches, opting instead for a round watch face like that of a regular wristwatch. Sapphire crystal glass will protect the display of the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro, while Gorilla Glass protects the display of the Galaxy Watch 6. In particular, the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro will be the highest-end model thanks to its titanium construction and sapphire crystal glass protected 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display. The Galaxy Watch 6 line is said to have 5 ATM Plus IP68 water resistance. Galaxy Watch 6 Pro features and software. Both the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro and the Galaxy Watch 6 will, of course, be powered by Google's Wear OS platform, as was the case with their predecessors. This implies that such smartwatches can only pair with Android smartphones. Once again, iPhone users will be left out in the cold. The good news is that Wear OS has evolved over the years to become a highly competent smartwatch operating system, with a variety of apps, watch faces, much more than Apple Watch, and widgets to customize your watch face. Like its predecessors, the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro may have some additional features that make it ideal for hikers, notably route-based GPS guidance and trackback. Galaxy Watch 6 Pro battery life. The Galaxy Watch 6 Pro is expected to have a 590 mAh battery and provide up to 60 hours of battery life, or nearly 3 days before requiring charging. Currently, we anticipate few changes from its predecessor. However, it is obviously with limited or no access to GPS or activity data. The Galaxy Watch 6 is speculated to have a considerably smaller 284 mAh battery, resulting in shorter battery life. When its predecessors have failed, the most we can expect is a full day. So guys, this concludes our video for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.